In this episode of Hitting the Road, we dust off our passports and get ready for a March break adventure.
Oh my god.
We were off to sunny Huatulco, Mexico. Yeah. How is it?
It's good. It's small.
It's small? It's a very nice room though. Going to town.
La Crucita.
La Crucita?
For margarita.
For margarita? The Cabra de La Crucita was only 15 minutes from our resort. This could be it. 42 stores later, she may have chosen a hat. She has found a hat!
Yes.
And a sun shirt for kayaking.
Good morning. We arrived in Huatulco a few days ago, and we've been hanging by the pool, laying on the beach, and enjoying the sunshine. But this morning we thought, why not give you a tour of our resort? We chose to stay at the Barcelo Huatulco.
Agave is the authentic Mexican restaurant. Donna Rosa is the first of two buffet-style restaurants. The hotel offers a full spa and workout center. Early in the day, the pool area is beautiful. Later in the afternoon, it will fill up full of families and people having fun. The Barcy Water Park will get very busy with youngsters during the day. La Tortuga is the second buffet-style restaurant and offers a pool bar. There's an activity center and playground for the kiddos too. There's also a water sports center that offers complimentary kayaks and other water toys. We even got to celebrate St. Paddy's Day, Mexican style.
Good morning. We are heading out on a boat tour today to check out the bays of Huatulco, do some snorkeling, check out the beach bars, and maybe even some fishing.
Captain Roberto Hernandez took us out with Yellowfin Tours. It was excellent. Oh, whales coming?
Whales? We want to see the humpbacks.
Yeah, reports are that the humpbacks have been spotted.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna run one over. Oh my god! Right there! Oh my god, I can almost touch it.
About the dolphin experience.
Amazing.
Must have been hundreds, eh?
So cool.
Lunchies.
Yes. And cerveza.
And cerveza. Watch yourself. After witnessing the super pod of dolphins, we just bounced from bay to bay, beach to beach, and bar to bar. We found that several of the bays we visited had no road access, boat only.
Beautiful beach, eh?
Yeah.
Tortuga.
Looks clean, young.
Yes.
Here, if you look closely, you can see the face of a man in the rock. The following morning, we grabbed young William and we're off to an ATV tour.
Just got on the bus. We're headed out to the jungle to go on an ATV tour, taking a young lad. Swinging by his tail.
Yeah. enjoying this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. Will likes it.
The beach was super fun.
Is it a bit dusty?
It's a bit dusty. Yeah.
It was so amazing to be able to ride on this secluded beach with these enormous waves coming in. And here's Will in his element, doing what he loves doing. The tour guides dropped us off at a beach bar to get some refreshments, and then we were back at it.
Pretty.
So after an incredible week, it was time to head home.
All right. Oops. There you are. Cook my own meals now.
Aww.
Well, that's a wrap. We're back to the wet coast. Quite a different view from yesterday. Almost at 1,000.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button.